everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the SIM PIN code on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down underneath where it says Security and Privacy and select that. And then you want to scroll down again underneath Other Settings and select More Security and Privacy. Scroll down underneath Security and select where it says SIM Lock. And then there'll be an option to change the SIM PIN. You would go ahead and click on that, assuming you already had a PIN enabled and turned on your Samsung device. And that's pretty much all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.